Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another DIY video. So this is my kids' bathroom and I'll be renovating this bathroom on a budget. Later on, I'll give you more info about the budget. So the main reason for renovating this bathroom is because I hate to see the tiles. I hate the bathroom. Guys, look at the tile. Look at these tiles. So many pattern. There's so many things going on in here. My hubby and I will be working on this bathroom. He'll be doing the hardest part, which is the demolition. So let's get started. This is demolition day 1. So this is where the toilet was, and this is where the sink was. Because we are working on a budget, we are not going to remove all the tiles from the wall. I'll be painting the tiles. I know it's surprising to a lot of you guys, but you'll learn some more about it. So we will take down the toe wall, the tiles on the floor, the tiles in the shower area, and keep the other tiles. We are now cutting out an open storage space in the shower area. It is called a shower niche. So guys, these are just some few short clips of what we did on demolition day 1. This is how the bathroom turned out after 3 days of demolition. We found the pipe that was leaking and we fixed it. All the lower tiles from the shower area are gone. This is the niche. The wall is very thin, so a small hole busted out on the other side of the niche. We also took out the tiles from the bottom of the shower and we also cut down the toe wall. It was too tall. So we kept all the tiles on top. So these are the areas that are going to be painted. So basically what we did, guys, was to keep all the tiles that are not in the water area. So those are the areas that I'm going to paint. And we took out the floor also, guys, because definitely I didn't want to see that pattern looking floor ever again. At this point, I'm just using some cement mortar that we mix and I'm pinning back the pipe in the wall. Because remember earlier I told you that the pipe was leaking, we fixed it and now we are pinning it back. And as you can see, the wall, it's not straight, it's extremely rough and it's lean. So we are going to try to straighten the wall a bit, you know, like render it, but not make it smooth. Because guys, I'm not a professional tiler. And if I work on this rough surface, I know that the tiles are going to be lean on the wall. Now I'm working on the niche, guys. So I am using a hammer and chisel to straighten it because the jackhammer is not going to give me that straight cut. So while flashing it with the mortar or rendering it, as some may say, I'm just using the hammer and chisel to get it as straight as possible. After 5 days of demolition and cleanup, I went ahead and created a mood board. I want walk-in shower, floating vanity with floating wall mirror, black fixtures, grey wood look porcelain tiles, plain white tiles for the shower wall, along with grey and white hexagon tiles for the shower floor and the shower niche. Today is shopping day and I'm at Tile City. So this is my first stop, guys, and I have my mood board so I know exactly what I'm looking for. So I'm not here to waste a lot of time because I have about 2 or 3 more locations to visit. This is the exact tile that I want, guys. I found it. They have it in brown and they have it in gray also. The price is $8.99 plus tax. So that's $6 and they have it on sale. So now I'm just going to look for the white tile for the wall and I'm just going to look for something for the shower niche. Wow, this one is way out of my budget, so I have to keep looking. I was not going to stop at this store, but because I was passing, I've decided to stop. The reason is that I've been to this store quite a few times and I did not like the layout. All the tiles were packed on pallet. They were packed on top of each other and it was hard for me to find what I was looking for. But guys, I must say that there's a transformation. The store has been reorganized, or I must say revamped. So there's a section for everything. There's a section for backsplash, there's a section for wall tiles, and there's a section for floor tiles. So guys, the store is much more appealing. Everything is so much more easier to see. So guys, I'm at the second store. I'm at Tools Hardware on Spanish Town Road. And this is the tile. As you can see, the same exact tile, but this one is much broader. I like this one, but guess what? It is out of stock. I've decided to stop here because I know that Tools Hardware tile prices are reasonable. So I'm just browsing around, guys. I'm just looking around. I don't see the tile that I want, but I'm looking at some shower glass. Remember guys that the idea for my shower is a walk-in shower, but I'm just looking at the prices and I'm just making a little comparison and then I'm just gonna get moving. These are the vanities they have in stock. None of them suits my design. I'm going for a floating shelf look. Also, remember I'm on a budget, so I'm just going to DIY my vanity. So I'm just looking around, looking at the designs and look to see what is in style now. These are the jacuzzi. This is 230 Jamaican plus tax, approximately 1,500 US dollars. Yeah. Guys, check out this LED Bluetooth mirror. It has a clock inside of it. It's so cool. So now I'm just gonna head off to the other store. I'm at Active Trader. These are the porcelain wood look tiles. There are a lot of options, guys, especially in the tone that I'm looking for. But there are two prices. One is for 1,000 odd and the other is for about $890. And guess what? Most of the cheaper ones are out of stock. Now that I've found the floor tile, I'm just gonna search for a white tile for the wall and a grayish whitish tile for the niche. Now I'm looking at the fixtures, guys, and remember I'm definitely going for black. And guys, black fixtures is much more expensive than the chrome and the gold. And I'm looking at these prices, guys. They are way out of my budget. So I don't know what I'm going to do. I think I might, buy them on Amazon. But let us see what will happen. But look at the prices, guys. Look at the black one and the red dot that you're looking at. They are out of stock. Check out these vanities, guys. I like this one. I like most of them, guys. And most of them are floating shelves. I can see that's the style in now. They are lovely. They are nice. I'm just looking at them to get some ideas. Guys, I like this mirror. It's plain, simple and neat. It's very minimalistic. I've found all the 3 tiles in the store and I've purchased them. So I'm waiting to pick them up at the pickup area. But in the meantime, I'll just take you upstairs to look at the light fixtures. There's a lot of music playing in the background, guys. And for copyright issue, I would have to turn off the sound. And for the rest of the video, I'll just do a walkthrough. There's something about this coffee table. I think I like it. There's something about it that I like. I think I like the top. It is plain and simple. It is giving me this Scandinavian vibe. I think maybe I'll like it more if the base was a bit different, but I really like the top. I'm looking for something black, or I think I'm looking for crystal, or maybe some recessed light, but recessed light, I can't put recessed light in there because I would have to put a drop down ceiling. But I don't think I'm going to purchase any light today because I didn't have it on my mood board. I'm just going to go back to the drawing board and think about the lighting. But I'm just looking today, you know, just to get an idea. Guys, I love this rug. It's a Jabari rug. I like the colors, the pattern. I like the shades, the tone. How much for it? 24,000. I like it, guys. It's nice. I'm about to end this vlog, guys. Look out for episode 2, where in which I'll be tiling the bathroom, so you will get to see the tiles that I bought. Remember to like, comment and share. Have a look at this round accent table, guys. Look at the price. 54,900. It's way expensive. And here's another one. Let me check this price. 39,900. Wow, they are expensive. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.